Hi, everyone. Today we're talking about one of the most transformative periods in human history, the Industrial Revolution. Let's explore how it changed not only the economy, but also every aspect of daily life. Before the Industrial Revolution, up until the mid-18th century, the global economy was relatively stagnant. But then something incredible happened. New production methods emerged, and everything began to change. The key to this transformation was mechanization. Manual production gave way to steam-powered machines and eventually mechanized factories. This shift started in 1760 in Britain's textile industry, where machines revolutionized production processes. Here's a quick timeline of some major milestones. In 1781, James Watt patented the improved steam engine, which became a game changer for factories, ships, and trains. By 1793, Samuel Slater had introduced textile mills to the United States, spreading the revolution across the Atlantic. That same year, Eli Whitney invented the cotton gin, which greatly sped up the process of separating seeds from cotton fibers. And not everyone was thrilled. By 1811, the Luddites began protesting and even destroying factory machines in Britain. The impact of the Industrial Revolution wasn't limited to factories. It touched every sector, from textiles to chemicals, steel production, and even transportation. Mechanization brought huge increases in income and living standards, leading to population growth and urbanization. However, it also shifted power toward those who controlled factories and machines, creating new social and economic dynamics. Another critical development was the emergence of new institutions. In 1824, Britain legalized labor unions, paving the way for modern economic organizations and corporate law. These changes laid the foundation for how businesses and economies operate today. So what's the takeaway? The Industrial Revolution was more than just steam engines and factories. It was a complete transformation of society and the economy. It set the stage for the modern world we live in. If you enjoyed learning about this fascinating period, don't forget to like and subscribe for more History Meets Economics content. See you in the next video.